Another twist this morning in Alex Murdaugh's ongoing legal battle. Murdaugh was convicted in March of the brutal double murders of his son Paul and wife Maggie. On Thursday, after a motion filed by Murdaugh's defense team requesting the Honorable Clifton Newman be recused from presiding over any further proceedings, the 72-year-old judge, who was already set to retire at the end of the year, officially stepped aside, asking that a new judge be assigned to handle the post-trial motions involving the murder charges. Murdaugh's legal team has been asking for a new judge and a new trial, suggesting in their motion that Judge Newman could be a potential witness to allegations of jury tampering leveled against Colleton County Clerk of Court Becky Hill, and that the judge professed his views on the case in a post-verdict interview he did with us.
Do you think that he'll be haunted by his wife and son?
No, I think so. I cannot imagine him having a peaceful night knowing what he did. I'm sure if he had an opportunity to do it over again, he'd never do it.
After the verdict, the judge publicly expressed his opinion that the defendant was guilty. So the defense argument is that that same judge can't now preside over the issue of whether the defendant got a fair trial.
The recusal is a victory for the defense, but they still have a steep hill to climb. Murdaugh was sentenced to consecutive life terms in prison.
Within your own soul, you have to deal with that.
The state has aggressively swatted down the claims of jury tampering, saying in part, never does the law permit highly motivated convicts to put their own jury on trial. Tonight, in a Dateline special, South Carolina Attorney General Alan Wilson says the state is prepared to fight the appeal. They are alleging, among other things, jury tampering.
Well, look, defense attorneys are going to do everything that they can to represent their client. I don't begrudge them. Obviously, we're going to defend the trial. We're going to defend our work product.
And all of this is happening as pre-trial hearings are getting underway to address state charges related to Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes, despite a separate motion asking Judge Newman to recuse himself from that trial. He is set to preside. And I'll have much more tonight on a special Dateline, the Murdaugh murders inside the investigation, including exclusive interviews with all of the investigators who helped crack that case.
Looking forward to that.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.